Howdy there, internet people. It's Luke again with Truce Designs. I make backpacks and other bags from materials that would otherwise be discarded. In this case, it's an old sale, and I just wanted to show you guys this travel set that we're doing a raffle for, and 80% of the proceeds will go towards AAPI Women Lead and Third Wave Fund, which is about gender equity. And here is what is included in the travel set. So there's a medium drop liner backpack with Seattle-based artist Luzumaki's art on the lid here, fidlock buckle, orange interior on this guy, and just a standard drop liner, so there's no laptop sleeve or anything like that. But this old sale really comes back to life with this beautiful artwork on there. It's just super cool looking, in my opinion. And it also comes with a shopper with big art on this panel, as well as a 20-liter single layer pack. This one has foam in the back panel, and as intended with the travel set, also comes with this duffel, 45-liter drop liner duffel. The straps that clip on to this duffel are interchangeable between the duffel and the 20-liter single pack, so anytime somebody orders both a duffel and a 20-liter single layer pack, the straps are designed to be able to be taken off the duffel once you get to where you're going, and you're kind of living out of the duffel. You open it up and it's really accessible in there, and you can take the backpack carry straps off of there, clip them onto here, and then you've got your little day pack for day adventures. So anyway, this is the 20-liter single layer pack with Luzumaki's art on the front there. Just really makes it beautiful, and this sale has seen some days because the stitching looks like it's not coming apart. It just has a lot of character, in my opinion. So it looks really cool. Will last a super long time, and I bet if sales could talk, this one would have some badass stories. Also included is a Dopp Kit with Luzumaki's art on the side there. And like I mentioned before, this drop liner duffel in the 45-liter medium size, also with an orange liner. I forgot what color I did on the inside of this guy. It's also an orange, so yeah, they're pretty matchy-matchy. The backpack and the duffel bag have the same interior colors. So yeah, pretty sweet little travel set with the duffel, the Dopp Kit, 20-liter single layer pack, shopper, and drop liner backpack, and also some stickers from Luzumaki. So please consider purchasing a ticket or two. All the proceeds, like I said, 80% of the proceeds will go to AAPI Women Lead and Third Wave Fund, and the remaining 20% will be split between myself and Luzumaki. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and thanks for watching.